Hello guys, so in this video we will see about our product, that is point of sale product combo, right? So just like a kit of a product, right? For point of sale products, especially for we can take an example of food related products, right? So the system provides us to define different kinds of combination of products in one product, right? So that kind of configuration is given over here. So basically by defining these combo products, users, that is point of sale users, can be easily able to manage it from the restaurant side of point of sale, right? And the interface is so much, the configuration and the interface is so much user friendly, so that we can easily use this module, right? So as you can see that this module benefits POS users to boost their sales and to catch attention of customers, and with this users can define different kinds of combo products and their related configurations, and those all configurations will be redirected to point of sale module, right? So the key features are also defined. As you can see that product combo is used to increase product sales and to provide special offers to customers, right? Options we have provided to allow different kinds of selections for multiple products at the same time in combo products configuration. We have also provided options to allow and edit combo products after selection of products, options to allow required products in included product price with main combo price or not. So these kind of configurations we have also given, right? Main inventory for sub products, that is also configured and defined, and it restricts POS users to duplicate restricted or unrestricted POS product category while configuring combo products, right? And as you can see that our module is compatible with Odoo Community Edition, with Odoo Enterprise Edition, and also with Odoo.sh. Alright, now let's go for modules functionality. That as you can see that I am taking one example, like here as you can see we are already in point of sale module. So I will take an example of family pizza. Alright, so as you can see I have opened this product, right? So we have provided here a configuration named use as combo. So when I will enable this, then you can see that product pack, this tab will be automatically will be enabled, and here we will be able to define different kinds of products which we have to take as a combo products, right? So apart from that also we have also provided some configurations part. Now these are some configurations part, that is like required product, right? So in which these products we are defining over here, and here we will define the count, right? So here whatever products will be defined, so minimum 2 products the a customer has, it will be necessary for the customer to select minimum 2 products. So for that we have provided this required products option, right? Include in main product price. So whatever these sub products we are defining over here, so that price should be get included into main product that we have defined as a combo product or not. So these kind of configurations we have also provided, right? And apart from that we have also provided configurations to select different kinds of products related categories over here, right? So here there are two cases, that in one case the users will be also able to manually define products coming under this category, or else if you want to take all products that is related to this, like food, pizza, pasta, mocktails, right? So all of these you can also define a category, and when you will enable this option, that is include all products, so system will automatically take all these products, right? That is coming under this category. So this kind of configuration we have also provided over here, and you can see that in this sub product scenario, users will not be allowed to take the same products as a sub products, right? So this kind of configuration and this kind of restrictions, constraints we have also provided. All right, now here let's go to the point of sale session. Let's open this one. So here you can see that we have provided a configuration per each user session wise, right? View combo product image, view all view image of combo product in pop-up, right? So this kind of configuration we have provided over here. Now let's see about the core part of the functionality. So we will go to the dashboard and we will open one session. So as you can see, whatever products are defined as a combo product will be defined like this. So users will be easily able to select it. So let's select this product. So as per the configuration, this kind of configurations will be allowed over here, and the food and different kinds of categories are also defined, right? So let's select these products like this one and this one. Also select drinks, right? Click on OK, right? Now let's select a customer. Okay, and when we want to edit these products in the middle, we can also edit these products, right? Also customize this. Now let's proceed for the payment. Okay, before going to payment, let me show you one thing, that here whatever price and extra price will be also summarized over here as per the configurations we have done from the backend side, right? Now let's proceed for the payment. Let's select cash method, validate it, right? So as you can see that these all products with these sub products combo will be defined over here, and the extra price will be also as per the configurations defined over here. This is the subtotal amount, tax 15% and the total amount. So like this, point of sale receipt will be generated accordingly, and we have also customized point of sale receipt, right? So that's all about point of sale combo product module. Thank you so much for watching this video.